In today's video, I'm going to show you how to share a task link with anyone in ClickUp, even if they're not part of your workspace. This is perfect if you need to quickly send a task to a client, a freelancer, or a teammate without adding them as a full ClickUp user. It's fast, simple, and super useful for collaboration. If you find this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more ClickUp tutorials and productivity tips. All right, let's jump right in. First, go ahead and log into your ClickUp account using your browser. Once you're logged in, navigate to the space, folder, or list where your task is located. From there, click on the task you want to share so it opens up in the task view. Make sure this is the exact task you want others to see because the link will give access to this specific task. Next, look to the top right side of the task window. You'll see an ellipsis icon, which looks like 3 dots. Go ahead and click on that ellipsis. This opens a drop-down menu with several task options and settings. From this menu, find and click on the option labeled Sharing and Permissions. This section controls who can access the task and how it can be shared. Once you're in Sharing and Permissions, look for the toggle that says Share Link with Anyone. By default, this option is usually turned off. Click the toggle to turn it on. When you enable this, ClickUp creates a public link that can be viewed by anyone who has the link, even if they don't have a ClickUp account. After turning on the toggle, you'll see an option that says Copy Public Link. Go ahead and click on that. The link is now copied to your clipboard, and you can paste it anywhere you want, like in an email, a chat message, or a document. Anyone who opens that link will be able to view the task based on the permissions you've allowed. This makes it incredibly easy to share progress, instructions, or task details with external collaborators without giving them full access to your workspace. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully shared a ClickUp task link with anyone in just a few clicks. If this tutorial saved you time or helped you out, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy ClickUp how-to videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.